guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 hair growth hair masks that you guys can use right now if you are trying to grow out your hair or either stop hair loss or lessen your excessive hair fall. So let's get started. Okay, so the first DIY is the Amla hair mask. Now, Amla is said to treat hair loss effectively because it strengthens hair follicles and reduces hair thinning. It also stimulates hair growth and improves the quality of the hair since it contains calcium, which promotes healthier hair. And to this I will add on mayo because mayo is great for nourishing the hair and also great for treating any scalp issues such as dandruff. It can also soften the hair and make the hair shiny as well. And also I will add in almond oil and castor oil because not only these oils are great for hair loss, but also they can help smoothen the hair too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and combine all of these ingredients together. And also with this, you can adjust the proportion according to your hair length and thickness. So since I'm aiming this for hair growth, I will specifically put this on my scalp and then I will let that sit in for 20 minutes and then wash it off with my shampoo. And then this is the result. So not only this mask is great for hair growth, but also as a bonus, it made my hair healthy and smooth. Now for the second recipe, you can also try out these fun hair growth hair mask bars. And the base of this DIY is to use the pure organic coconut milk, which is amazing for hair growth because the protein in the essential fats in the coconut milk can promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. So to this, I will once again add in castor oil, almond oil, and these essential oils right here. Now these essential oils are great for hair growth as well, and they can help lessen hair fall. But also what I do like about this is that they add a really nice herbal scent to this hair mask bars. So in here, I will just add in the oils to the coconut milk and then mix it all together till I get to this consistency. And also I will use the peel of the calamansi and lemon to add more fragrance to it. So in a cupcake molder, I will add in the finely minced lemon and calamansi at the bottom. And then I will add in the coconut milk mixture and then put that in the fridge. Now once they are done, it is going to look like this. And these are really great to use because it is less messy rather than using it in a liquid form. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use it on both my scalp and hair. And also with this, you can use it on your body as well. So I'm gonna leave that on my hair for 20 minutes max and then wash it off with my shampoo. And this is the result right here. As I've said, once again, not only is this great for hair growth, but it really does help nourish your hair as well. Okay, so the last one is using fenugreek seed. Now, fenugreek is a rich source of iron and protein, which are 2 essential nutrients for hair growth. It also contains a unique composition of plant compounds such as flavonoids and saponins, and these compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. Okay, so what I will do to activate them is I will go ahead and pour in hot water and let that soak in for 5 hours or overnight. So they would double their size, just like this. And then to that, I will also add in 2 of my favorite hair growth oils, which is the VCO and the olive oil. Also, these oils are great for preventing hair loss and as well softening the hair. So I will add all of the ingredients in a blender, and the proportion of the oil for me was 50% VCO and then 50% of the olive oil in there. So once it is done blending, it is going to look something like this. Now you will need to strain out the grains of the fenugreek using either a cheesecloth or a strainer to get the smooth consistency right here, because the last thing that you want is those grains on your hair if you don't wash them out properly. So now I'll go ahead and apply that onto my scalp and hair because this hair mask is amazing once again for hair growth, but also keeping your hair soft and smooth too. So once again, y'all know the drill at this point. I'm gonna leave that on my hair for 15 to 20 minutes max and then just wash it out with my shampoo. And this is the result. And I also like that this hair mask actually gives the hair a nice shiny texture, but it also helps the hair grow long and healthy.